Performance products are so important here in the Pacific Northwest because of the weather conditions. We find it very beneficial for the owner and for our company, the warranties we stand by. There's nothing better than having someone that backs Cambie Roofing up like IKO. My name is Richard Skujins. I am the owner of Cambie Roofing Contractors, located in Vancouver, British Columbia. We do residential, commercial, new construction, and a huge maintenance division. In this area, we like to use ice and water shields, synthetic IKO underlayments to protect the homeowner itself from the snow or the heavy rains.
The old roof was a bit of a disappointment, actually. The old shingles started to crumble, developed holes. After a while, I got to the point where it was just too much.
The granules were coming off. They had numerous repairs in the valleys and areas. Honestly, it looked like an eyesore walking down the street. We came with an IKO underlayment with some peel and sticks. We also put a dynasty shingle with a high profile cap. You walk by this house and it looks 10 times better. The shingles match the color of the house. Really good upgrade here.
Upon looking at the higher dynasty model, we thought that it had more reassurance. Turned out great.
I would definitely recommend IKO shingles. I'm really happy with the way it looks. I don't think it could look any better than it does.
I recommend IKO to homeowners because I trust their products. They're fantastic to install. If there's any details or any problems we have, they're there to help and support us. They're always trying to improve their products. And in turn, we get to put down a great roof and give our clients a product we can stand by because they stand behind us.